Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I just wanted to share my 50 state quarter collection. I think it's really neat that they have a quarter for each of the 50 states in the United States, and it has something special about each state. So I'll just flip through them here real quick. Hopefully you enjoy. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I think it was really neat, and it has a little bit of history in each of these coins, which are all still in circulation. So let me know which state you're in, which ones you like to collect, which one maybe you've seen the most of. And if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe and check out the link in the video description for more videos like this. Thanks, guys.